Yes, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back on my channel. Today, again, we have discussion related to the previous topic, past paper questions regarding integrations and the area under the curve. And now, move forward very quickly. What about the question? The question is that equation of the curve, the given है, and you have this diagram is mentioned on your question paper, and the paper was June 2006, paper 1, question number 10, and this is equation y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus k is here, and now the k is constant and it has the minimum point on x-axis. Now it has the minimum point. Look at this question guy and diagram. It is the minimum point. Clear? And this curve has a minimum point on the x-axis. Okay. To find the area of region निकालना है. Okay. Acha, this is not related to the volume of the area, and there is no concept that this curve is rotated or solid region is rotated along the x-axis with 360 degree or 180 degree. There is no requirement in this question. Okay. Okay. अब now भाई मुझे एरिया निकालना है, तो you need to find out the integration with respect to the limit. Okay. Yes. So limit के लिए you required a lower and upper limit. Where is your upper limit is here? You have upper limit?
No.
No. So it means के lower limit is 0. Okay. We don't have this point. Right? ये हमें point चाहिए. Am I right?
Yes.
तो यही point है. Clear?
Yes.
ये point चाहिए. That will be the lower limit of this curve.
Yes.
Okay. Integration. अच्छा, how you can find out this point? जब कोई line tangent minimum पे होती है और it is parallel to the x-axis, ये curve यहाँ से parallel to the x-axis है.
Yes.
ऐसे ही है. When it is touches to the, और ये lowest point है इस curve का, तो lowest point के ऊपर जब वो parallel to the x-axis होता है, तो the slope is 0. तो मैं क्या करूंगा? So first of all find out the equation of the slope, और उस slope को क्या करूंगा? Equal to 0 and find out the reference point. Okay. Find out the, क्या करेंगे हम उसके?
Reference point.
वो निकाल लेंगे. Value of x. Okay. Yes. So now solution. Find dy over dx. Okay. Yes. So dy over dx is what? 3x square minus 6x minus 9 plus 0. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And now take it equal to 0. Yes. Why? For, or because, या लिख रहा हूं because it has minimum point on, yes, what? On x-axis. On x-axis. Okay. So now solve this equation to find out the coordinate of the equation. 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. Okay. First of all, we can factor out 3.
Yes.
3 हमने factor out किया. So now your equation is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And 3 को इधर ले गया तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. Okay. 3 उधर जाकर क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Factor out करके now equation is x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Factor out करो. 3 1 the 3, so it means कि 3 1 the 3 we can factor out this x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 or what?
X into x minus 3.
X minus 3 into x minus x plus 2.
We will factor out x from the first expression
So ये x
Into-
मैं डायरेक्टली कर रहा था x minus 3
plus
and plus
1
1 into x minus
3.
3. So your answer is x minus 3 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So your answer is 3 and minus 1. सही है?
Yes.
तो कौन सा पॉइंट होगा भाई?
3.
3. Why?
Because x quadrant
is
x coordinates is
positive.
positive.
Positive quadrant है. Okay, good. So you will consider only 3 because of positive quadrant along the x-axis. Okay. So now your point is 3. Okay. Your point is 3. Yes. Now substitute this value of 3 to find out the k.
3 plus.
कर ले?
Yes.
Okay. Now put is here. Where is k? यहाँ put करते हैं किसकी 3 की वैल्यू. So put x equal to 3 in above equation. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So y का आंसर आ जाएगा y equal to x की पावर 3 का क्यूब minus 3. Yes. क्या हो जाएगा? Yes बच्चों.
We can directly integrate it within the limits.
Sorry, what?
We can directly integrate the equation within the limits to find the area of the shaded region.
Area of the shaded region, but first of all you have to find out the value of k is here. Okay.
Yes.
You need to find out the value of k is here.
It would become x because it is constant.
Constant, you know, it's becomes a x. Yes. So but you will have the value of k. So how many times of x?
Okay.
We don't know. सही है? हो सकता है it k is 3 तो क्या होगा after integration 3x. Clear? So that's why you need to find out the value of k is here. Okay? Yeah. So now 3. Yes. क्या होगा? 3 का square is what?
3 का cube.
3 square
Cube.
plus नहीं cube ले चुका हूँ and 3 plus k. Okay. क्या आ रहा है आपके पास?
How can we can find y?
y तो 0 पुट करूंगा ना.
Okay.
Okay. So what about the y? Y finally 0 पुट कर दूंगा because अभी पुट कर लो बाद में पुट कर लेता. Clear? So yes, because of the y intercept is 0 is here.
Okay.
Yes, find out the k. क्या आ रहा है भाई? 27
Yes.
और 3 का स्क्वायर इज 9. 9 3s are 27. Am I right?
Yes.
3 9s are
27.
27. 27 27 is cancel out. Okay. What about the case?
27.
No. The case. Yes. What? Minus 27. Yes. Case. Answer is check. The answer is k is what? Yes. K is
Minus
what?
20. K is 27.
No. This is plus.
Yes.
So what about 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are
27.
27. 3 ka square
Yes.
9, 9 3s are 27 minus 27. And what about this one? Oh, okay. It is minus 9, है ना?
Yes.
Again, yes. Minus 9. So it is minus 27. Okay, this one is cancel out.
Yes.
So what about the k? K is 27. Yes, you were right. Okay, calculation mistake. K is 27. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Now we can substitute here.
Yes.
Okay, so given equation is what? Y equal to x cube minus 3x square and minus 9x plus
K
27.
plus 27. Yes.
Okay, now integrate this one. Area. Yes. क्या होगा बच्चों? ये
X
तो zero
power
हो गया.
4.
अब ये 0 हो गया.
Yes.
Clear? सो क्या होगा 0 to 3 और it is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 27 into dx and just integrate. So x की power 4 over 4 minus 3x cube over 3 minus 9x square over 2 plus 27x. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So now substitute this 3 is cancel out. Okay, just substitute the values. It is 0 and 3. Put the values here. तो वो जो तुम कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे ना, जीरो डालने के बाद ऑलरेडी इट इज कैंसिल आउट, तो दैट्स व्हाई यू वर कंफ्यूज्ड. मैं जीरो पुट करूंगा माइनस करके, बट देयर इज नो कांस्टेंट, तो दैट ऑल द वैल्यूज बिकम जीरो.
Okay.
ठीक है, वहां जीरो नहीं आई थी. अब मैं क्या करूंगा, नाउ लेट्स लुक एट इज हियर. पुट क्या हो रहा है, 3 की पावर 4 ओवर 4 माइनस 3 का क्यूब,
Yes.
राइट. 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 का स्क्वायर
Plus 27 into
अपॉन 2 एंड प्लस 27 into 2, sorry 3. Clear? And now minus. Okay,
yes.
minus what?
0
Right.
power 4
0 पावर 4 ओवर 4 माइनस 0 का क्यूब,
minus
राइट. 9 इंटू 0 का स्क्वायर. ओके,
yes.
एंड प्लस 27 इंटू 0, राइट. अब नाउ दिस ऑल द वैल्यूज विल फिनिश बिकॉज ऑफ द 0.
Yes.
सो यूर अब सॉल्व कर लो एंड फाइंड आउट द आंसर. यू कैन डू योरसेल्फ.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, got your answer?
Wait a second.
Very simple calculation, guy.
Seventy-seven point five.
77.5.
Five.
I don't have answer. Okay, right? Yeah. Fine.
Area is 33.75.
33.75. So you will have some mistake, I think.
Yes.
Okay. What about the, yes? Look at here.
Yes.
Power 3 की power 4 is what? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3 are, yes, 27 3s are
7 to 3. 81.
81. So it is 81 over 4, right? And what about this one? It is 27. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. 3 ka square
9.
9. 9 9s are
27.
9 9s are 81. 81 over 2. Am I right?
Yes.
What about this one? 27 multiplied by 3 is 81.
27 multiplied by 3, 81.
81. Clear? अच्छा. अब देखो, just what this one? 81 divided by 4 is
20.25.
20.25. Yes, and 27. 81 divided by 2, 40 point
81 divided by 2.
40
40.5.
40.5. Yes, plus 81. Okay. Yes. अब now 20.25 plus 81.
20.25 plus 81 is
हाँ.
101.25.
100.
1.
101.
101.
101.25. Yes. Minus का. Okay. 40.5 and 27. Add 40.5 and 27.
33.75.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay, so final answer is 33.75. Okay, clear?
Yes.
क्यों वो किया था, क्यों किया था इसको हमने, लोएस्ट पॉइंट निकालकर डिफरेंस डेरिवेटिव को इक्वल टू 0 किया था टू फाइंड आउट द पॉइंट ऑफ
Lower limit, upper limit.
upper limit. You got my point?
Yes.
So okay, that was from my side. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.